Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my third project from CS50 web programming. So as you can see here we have all the active listings with its title, description, price, date and the user who created this. So we can see the full details of the listings. So now let's try to create a new listing. Random listing, no description, an optional image. I'm not going to provide an image. And here we have what we have just created. So in order to make offers on that listing, I'm going to log in with a different user. And now I can make offers, add it to my wishlist, and make comments. So let's try to make an offer of $10. And this won't work because 10 is less than the starting price. So try with 12 and now it works. You can try with another quantity, for example. I can add it to my watch list. I can make comments. So if I go to my watch list, it appears here. So now let's try to close this listing. Close that listing and I can make offers anymore. So if I sign in as a user who won that auction, the page says, you have won this auction, congratulations. I can also filter the active listings by categories. For example, fashion, toys, electronics, and other. So now let's try the Django admin interface. Here we have all my four models: actions, bits, comments, and user. So let's try to change an action. For example, this rubber ducky 404. Let's change the description and save it. So as you can see, this has been changed. I think that was it. Thanks for watching.